Hi guys, Tracy here from the Sewing Channel. This is the OLSON mask. Now, some of you have messaged me about the OLSON mask, and it is a bit different than some other hospitals. So if your hospital is asking for the OLSON mask, this is the tutorial for you. The difference is the OLSON mask is a little bit bigger. It covers the face a little bit more than the typical masks that are online right now. And it has two side pockets for a filter, okay, like that. And it has a broader area from nose to chin, okay, for more coverage. So that's the difference with the OLSON mask. The other thing is it has longer wings, this area right here on the pattern piece, okay? The wing is longer. I did modify it and turned it in a good bit. How I did that, I put it on my face before I turned this over just to make sure that it wasn't going way up here. Now you may want it way up there, I don't know, but I like my mask to stop right here, and since this is a personal mask for me, you can do what you see fit. But this is the OLSON mask, and the link is below for the pattern, and you're going to cut it out, and I'm going to show you a trick with this pattern on how to cut more out quicker and be able to assemble them quicker for the hospitals that are requiring the OLSON mask. If you need a child's mask, a toddler mask, I also have a video on that as well. I also have a no-sew mask tutorial as well with a pattern. They all have patterns. So I will put all the links in the description box. So whatever mask you need, I've got you covered. So let's get started. This is what the pattern looks like here. See where it says face 1 and 2? We are only going to use face 1. For demonstrating, I just put the two pieces, face 1 and 2, together, and I taped the edge right there around the curved portion, and I put a piece of tape. Now that was the cheek pattern piece. You're going to cut out two, a right and a left side. Now even though there's only one mouthpiece, we're going to do the same thing that we did with pattern piece 1 and 2. It will all make sense here soon enough. Now take that pattern piece 1 and 2, making it only one piece. We're going to fold our fabric over, and you see there I put a dark line right on the edge of that pattern piece. That is going to be our fold. So we're making our own fold here. And then you're just going to trim it up around there just like you see me do. This trick will save you lots of time on trying to find pieces that go together. I want you to take that curved mouthpiece and I want you to do the same thing that you did with that first pattern piece where we put it on the fold. So essentially you want one big piece, one tiny piece, that's the inside piece, and then you want two wings, a right and a left wing. Here I'm just showing you how it will look all assembled with the right sides both out. Now with right sides together, take that big piece, and with right sides together, that white piece, the mouth piece, and you're going to sew right around that curved area, just as you see me do here. And when you open them up, they're like two bowls. Now you're going to take that white piece, and those side edges you're going to roll up about 1/4 of an inch, and you're going to do that on both sides, iron it, and you're going to stitch it down. And on those two wing pieces, the wider part, you're going to do the same thing. Fold them down, iron them down about 1/4 of an inch, and do a straight stitch down each one of them. Now here I'm just laying them out for you to show you how it will look when we're done with those two wings and that middle piece, that white piece. Now you're going to only tack the wings to that middle piece, just on the ends. These are the 4 points that you're going to tack down. Now the inside piece is all assembled and you should have 2 pockets on both sides as seen right there. Now you're going to connect them like 2 little bowls nesting inside one another, and you're going to clip the nose area and clip the chin area and line everything up. Once everything is lined up, you're going to sew around the entire mask. Now just clip off any corners or any threads that might be sticking out, and now we're going to turn it right side out. Looking good. So now all we have to do is press it and get all the wrinkles. Now what you're going to do is take a pipe cleaner, fold it right in half, and then twist those 2 pieces together. Take some tape of some kind, I have duct tape here, and just tape over that pokey part. Now the more curved area here, that's the nose area. Insert the pipe cleaner and finagle it up there as good as you can up into that seam allowance area. Now once in, we are going to do a straight stitch just underneath where that pipe cleaner is, just like you see me pointing there. That is going to ensure that the pipe cleaner stays up there. That is what the pipe cleaner inside the mask should look like when it is sewn in, and you can take it out and put it back in after you're done washing it. Now fold over the sides and just sew a straight stitch right up and insert your elastic, and you can see there, and now I'm going to just tie my elastic off. And that, my friends, is how you make an Olson mask for the hospitals.